In this next video, I'm going to speak to you and show you how to deploy school data sync by using CSV files using Compass School Manager, which is an LMS in Australia. What we need to do now is open up Compass, and once we're in our portal, we can then go to the pencil icon and go subjects and classes. What this will do is open up a page for your subjects and classes. We want to go to exports, then Microsoft SDS export. As you can see here, we have a number of options to choose from. So our school identifier is called Lawana College, or Lawana, I've written here. The student identifier we've selected is user ID, but there's also a gov code as well. The student username we're going to use is user ID, but there are other options there as well. And for the teacher username, we're going to use user ID, but you can also select email or gov code. And for the section options there, you can see class code for identifier and class name. Once you've clicked download, it'll soon download a file. And once we've downloaded that file, we'll open the file, and here is what we get here. As you can see, I have my 6 CSV files with all the information from student information, username and their classes, and teachers, the teacher roster, and the section information of the classes.